welcome back for another video using Universal Patcher. Today I'm going to show you how to use Universal Patcher to make the adjustments on your PCM so that you can do speed density only tuning. So we're going to go over disabling your long-term fuel trims, forcing the PCM into speed density by closing out the MAF, high frequency, your MAF sensor, and then also disabling the MAF sensor check engine light. Those are the only three things we need to change to force our vehicle into speed density mode. And we will not be using long-term fuel trims. We'll only use short-term fuel trims in our logger to make VE adjustments. Okay, so first I'm going to go to my table name here. I'm going to switch that to all. And I'm going to just punch in long. Okay, so now we have long, let's see, right here, very top one, long-term fuel trim corrections enabled. We'll click on this. For the OS, the OS I'm using, I have a true or false, so I can just shut that off. I can hit save. Exit out of here. Yes, apply modifications. Okay, now that shut off the long-term fuel trims. So we'll only be running off from short-term fuel trims. It should still log the long-term fuel trims. It should just show a 0. Okay, next on the list, we're going to do the force the MAF. So let's see, MAF maybe? MAF. Yes, so we're going to do the MAF high frequency fail. Click on this. It is at 13,500. We're going to change this to a 1. And save, apply. That is now that'll now force the computer into speed density mode instead of using the MAF. So next we're just going to shut off our check engine light for that. So type in MIL, I believe. Where are you at? That's very top one, maybe. Yes. Okay. So this opens up all of our codes. So P0101, airflow circuit, range performance problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get this down and I'm just going to put it on number 2, no mil stored. Once that is set, we'll save. Should show number 2. I don't think I need to check that. Let's exit out. Apply. Okay, now when I flash this onto my computer, it's going to be running in speed density mode only. So when I log, I will still going to log my long-term fuel trims in my logger. Actually, I'll just show you. If I open up the logger, I'll still log all these. This should show a 0 on both left and right bank. And I will log that information. And I'll use the histogram under tools here, histogram log file, or do it live and go from there for adjusting my VE. Hopefully this video helps you out. Disclaimer is I'm not a professional tuner. I'm just learning as I go on my own stuff, and anything you do to your vehicle, that's on you. Thanks for watching.